Hey, welcome back to lesson 8. We are on page 161 and we are reading and writing decimals some more. Let's take a look at this one. Coach Longtree is 2 54 thousandths meters tall. Write this height as a decimal. Okay, well, at first what they did is they gave it to us in word form. 2 54 thousandths is 2 54 over 1,000. Okay. 54 over 1,000 is 50 over 1,000, 4 over 1,000. It gives us a really detailed, expanded form. But ultimately, what is it asking us to do? It's asking us to write this height as a decimal. So, on that solution line, it actually is pretty convenient that it gives us this right here. 2 and 0 tenths, 5 hundredths, 4 thousandths. There's my 2 and 54 thousandths. Awesome. Now, let's look at this one here. On runs the 100-meter dash in 14.895 seconds. What words could you use to read 14.895? Show your work. We're just going to write it in word form. Notice how I was saying point and then the numbers. We can't say that. We've got to say what the numbers actually are. So the first part is not bad. Your whole number, 14. Then there's the decimal, so we're going to write and. This is where things get a little bit tricky. How far out do you go? Tenths? Nope, we go further. Hundredths? Nope, we go further. Thousandths? That's where we end. So now we're at 895 thousandths. So we're going to say 14 and 800. That's a terrible V. 14 and 895 thousandths. Boom. Done. Show your work? Well, we just did. We wrote it down. That's good enough. Now, we're going to slide up to question number 2. On the next page, so I think it's 162. Carlos measures the length of a sideline on a football field. It is 109 thousandths of a kilometer. Write this length as a decimal and an expanded form. Show your work. Okay, let's do it. 109 thousandths. 109 thousandths. First thing, I don't see the word and, but I don't see a whole number either. So I'm going to say 0 in the ones place, 109 thousandths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and now we have to write 109. Well, there's only 3 spots. 109. And once again, you don't need those lines underneath it. I just do it to make sure that we count out all the way to the thousandths place. 0 and 109 thousandths. Okay. How do you write this in expanded form? We could do something as simple as this. Decimal point 1 plus decimal point 0, 0, 9. 0, 0, 9. And if you put those together, the 1 will be in the tenths place and then 0, 9. All good. Now, take a peek at number 3. A restaurant gives 4 and 82 thousandths kilogram of food waste to a city compost company. Which of the following correctly represents 4 and 82 thousandths? Okay. So this is 4 and 8/10. Oh, but look at 8's not in the tens place. 8's in the hundreds place. Goodbye, letter A. We don't need you. Let's take a look at letter B. 4 and, okay, so far we're good. 4 and 82 thousandths. I'm thinking that one's good. I'm thinking this one's good, but let's check the others. 4 and 8 and 2. Double ands? Double ands? That would be 2 of those decimal points. No way, you're ruled out. And letter D, 4 plus 8 times 1/10 plus 2 times 1/100th. Oh, again, look at your tenths place. Your tenths place is a 0, not an 8. So the one we correctly predicted, B, is the correct answer. Rachel chose D as the correct answer. Poor Rachel. How did she get that answer? She mistook the thousands place for the hundredths place. Yeah, she did the 8 times 1/10. It should be 8 times 1/100th. Why? Because the 8 is in the hundredths place. Cool. That's it for now. Thanks. I hit it.